everyone! It's another beautiful day here in the US. And for today, magdadrive na tayo papuntang Las Vegas. So kagabi, after ng Joshua Tree, hindi na kami nakapag-vlog. Pero nag-check-in kami dito sa Fairfield Suites and Inn by Marriott. Isa to sa pinakamalapit na hotels sa Joshua Tree. Dito to sa 29 Palms, California. So pakita ko lang sa inyo ng mabilis yung room. First, pakita muna natin yung view outside the room. Ayan. So, kita mo yung Joshua Tree National Park. Grabe, sobrang laki niyang park na yan, as in. So, ito yung room. It's a king-size bed. Medyo magulo na kasi natulugan na namin to last night. Yung aircon nila, ang laki. Ito, nasa baba. Actually, sa lugar na to, medyo nahirapan ako maghanap ng room kasi yung totoo lang, maarte naman talaga ako sa room. Ayoko nung mukhang luma. So, if you can see, luma yung datingan ng hotel. Sabi ko nga kagabi kay Pipoy, parang psycho feels. So, ayan siya. Merong working area dyan. Tapos may mirror. Tapos, may TV dito. And then, may mini sala. So, ayan. Nandiyan si Cyril. Hi, Cyril! Good morning! Tapos, may upuan din dito. And then, dito. And, ang nakakatuwa rito sa hotel na to, kahit maliit siya, meron silang pa-microwave, may coffee maker, at mini fridge. And then, ito yung bathroom nila. So, yan. Simple lang din. And then, that's the toilet. Tapos, dito yung pinaka-shower area niya. Andiyan na rin yung bathtub sa baba. There. Right? So, malaki siya. Malaki yung room actually. Pero, hi. Pero yun nga, ayoko kasi ng mga gantong design kasi parang nakakatakot. Gusto ko yung maliwanag, tas medyo modern. So, anyway, may free breakfast tong hotel. So, bababa na muna kami. Kakain na kami ng breakfast. And then, after that, we will drive to Las Vegas. So, bye for now. See you there! Okay, so before breakfast, iloload muna natin sa kotse itong mga bagahe. Nakakatuwa yung napunta sa aming car rental is also white. So, sa sasakyan, alam nyo ba, statistically, white yung pinaka deemed safe kasi very visible siya even at night. Right?
Nope.
Nope? Okay, so pakita ko lang sa inyo yung labas ng hotel. So, this is Fairfield Inn and Suites by Marriott. And then, oh my God! Sabi na nga ba, that's what will happen. You okay? It's okay.
Hindi, konti lang naman.
Konti lang yan.
Wala.
You really hold it.
Yeah, malo. Well, you're supposed to just hold it still. You're playing with it. That's why. Okay, so ito yung paligid. Ito yung neighborhood niya. So, di ba, meron siyang parang middle of nowhere feels. Kahit na may mga ibang building. And then, ito siya. Yan. Ito yung pinakalabas ng hotel. So, medyo luma na siya. Actually, medyo nahirapan ako maghanap ng accommodation dito kasi nga, conflicting yung mga reviews. Ang importante lang naman sa akin is malinis and enough space for the three of us. So, okay naman siya. Malinis naman, although luma na nga yung, yung hotel. But overall, it was okay for a night. Okay, so that's it. Babalik na kami sa loob for breakfast. Okay, let's go inside.
It's hotter.
Yeah. Hi, good morning. We'll just go to breakfast. Thank you. They have muffins and then bagels and then different types of bread. Tapos dito niya siya ito-toast. Ayun. Okay, so there's scrambled egg and then sausage. Ano yun nandun sa kabila? Potatoes. Yeah, and then there's marinara sauce and cheese. Oh, meron din silang waffle maker.
Mommy, there's another.
Okay, let's check it out later. So they have a waffle maker here. And there's oatmeal. And then you can make your own bran or granola bar. And then fruits, orange and apple. Ayan, they have orange juice, apple juice, cranberry water. And they have bran cereals and Cheerios. And ito, may milk and yogurt. So here they have hot water, decaf na coffee, and then they have another brew na bold. And andito yung mga cream, sugar, and tea. Okay, that's it. It's simple, but it's good. Kain na tayo! Okay, gawa tayong waffle for serving. Yan. And then, what is it? Ay, actually, there you go. Pull it. Ano kaya katagal ito? Nakalagay pa.
Yan. Yeah, tapos magka-countdown siya.
Oo nga no.
Here's your waffle, ma'am. Waffle.
It's hot, be careful.
Waffle time. Waffle. It's crunchy.
Yeah. Okay, so nakakuha na tayo ng breakfast. We have bagel, muffin, bread, scrambled egg, potatoes, and sausage. Nakakatawa, meron silang ganito, oh. This cream cheese. And then this is peanut butter. And then different types of jams. So may strawberry mixed fruit and jelly. Okay, kain na tayo. So thick.
Can you do it?
Later. You eat your waffle.
Still hot.
Really? I do it here.
My turn.
Sarap yung potato rin.
Oo.
Okay, tapos na kami mag-breakfast. In fairness ha, ang sarap ng breakfast nila. Nakakatuwa kasi hindi ko matandaan na may breakfast yung binook ko pero meron pala. Kasi nga, hindi ako sure kung anong oras yung mga magiging gising namin dito. But surprisingly, meron pala. Talagang it comes with every room. So yon, okay yung breakfast nila. Good quality kahit konti lang yung spread. Okay siya lahat. Alright, so now we're going to Vegas. Are you ready, Cyril? Fasten your seatbelt. Okay, we're in the middle of nowhere. Pero, bumaba ako ng sasakyan kasi nakakatuwa itong mailboxes, oh. Ang cute. Ang dami nila, oh. See? And, there's a restaurant there. The Palms Restaurant. At bukod doon, wala na. Wala ka na makita. Okay. Alright, yun lang. Let's go back to the car. Hindi ko alam kung kita sa camera ha, pero ang ganda oh. From afar, para nga siyang ano, oasis yung tingin. Ang ganda, oh. My God, the best talaga ang US sa road trip. Ganda. That's a crater. Baka lava yan, mahal.
Wala sa'yo lava yan.
Oo. Ayan, no, lava. Okay, we just arrived here at Las Vegas. Dito tayo mag-stay sa Palazzo Hotel. So, we're just dropping off the car sa Valet for parking. Tapos, mag-check-in na tayo. She turned 7. 77? That's exciting. Yeah. Yes. Oh, hi! Pasok! Come on! So, nandito na tayo sa Las Vegas.
Yes!
We're staying at the Palazzo. And we will give you our room tour.
Yes.
This is the King Suite with a view. Mamaya nyo naman kita yung view, okay? So, dito pagpasok mo, you have the mirror. And then, ready na ba kayo sa bathroom? Okay, ito ang bathroom. Yan. So, meron ditong vanity area, and then his and her own sink. That's the bathtub. This is the shower area. And then, dito yung toilet.
Girl, why this phone here?
Okay. And then, hey, come on. Let's go to
The bed?
the bedroom.
Yes.
Okay. So, this is the king-size bed.
Look, Mommy.
And
Daddy,
then,
look at me. There's a stairs.
there's a stairs. Ayan. Tapos ito yung TV. The first TV. Tapos, meron ditong patungan. I don't know the exact name. And then, yes, there is a living area corner here. Tapos, may second TV. Paano kung yung isa gusto matulog, tapos dumanood ng TV, tapos yung isa dito manood ng TV? Noise, noise pollution. Okay. And then, may dining table dito. And then, may working area dito. Ang ganda. Ang laki ng room. Now,
Mommy.
yeah. Okay. Okay. So, are you ready for the best part para sa view? Wait. So, bubuksan na ni Cyril. Okay, Cyril, open it.
What's happening? There you go.
Okay. Oh my God. Okay, so this is the view. Nakikita niyo pa yan? We have a direct view of the sphere. Are you happy, Cyril? Yan. Okay. Dito pala yung Wynn Hotel. Isa to sa pinagpilian ko eh. Kung the Palazzo or yung Wynn Hotel. Pero kasi sa Wynn Hotel, konti lang yung room sila na may gantong 100% view of the sphere. So, isa sa pinunta namin dito sa US ay itong The Sphere. Gusto talaga siyang makita ni Cyril. That's why, pinaglaban ko tong room na to sa Palazzo. Actually, Nire-arrange namin yung trip namin dito kasi, ano bang dates yun? Feb 3 to 5 dapat kami nandito. Pero meron silang malaking medical conference. Lahat ng rooms ay booked. So, I have to rearrange the trip para lang makakuha kami ng room dito. So, yan lang. Look! And the airplane, ang dramatic, ang ganda, grabe.
What was that?
Oh my God, it's gonna be even
Mom,
better
who's
at
that
night. I don't know, random robot girl. Look what she's gonna do. Is she gonna, like... Oh my God, she's looking at the people. It's so cool. So real, she's looking for you. See? I told you she's gonna do that. She's gonna break it.
The screen. Stop breaking it.
Oh my God, ayan ang pinunta ni Cyril dito. Hi!
Tempo niya.
Bro, he's sleeping. Bro, he's looking at us. He just woke up.
He just
I
woke
think.
up.
Just woke up. He doesn't know where he is. He has a coffee.
Okay, so that's it for the room tour. Mamaya lalabas tayo. Titingnan natin kung anong meron sa paligid. For now, magpapahinga muna kami ng konti, okay? See ya later! Bye! Welcome to Las Vegas, guys! So, ito yung dadaanan namin papuntang lobby. Basically, we will go out to have lunch. Okay, nandito tayo ngayon sa may high roller area. This is where we will have lunch. Grabe, ang saya ng vibe dito. Kaso, amoy weed. Sabi mo, mahal, si Surit lang ang bata rito. Meron, ayun, no, nakita ko na sa harap. Yan, lakad-lakad lang tayo. Asan yung water fountain na sabi niya? Ito? Ah, ayun, okay. Alright, here it is. Okay guys, of course, we're having lunch. So one of the most iconic burger joints in the West Coast, In-N-Out Burger. Dito tayo magla-lunch. Ayan, so nakikita nyo na mahaba yung pila, pero mabilis lang naman siya. Okay, I am so excited. So, nandito na tayo. Naka-order na tayo sa In-N-Out. Ito yung in-order natin. Yung kanilang double-double. And of course, ang kanilang animal-style fries. Alam nyo ba, pag uwi namin ni Pipoy, nagagawa ko rin to sa bahay. Madali lang yung recipe nito. Pero iconic. So, nagkamali rin ako na order. Oho na oho kasi ako. Sabi ko, extra large. Grabe naman yung extra large nila. Tingnan mo. Ang nakakatawa pa, ang binili ko, 3 drinks. Ay, yung binili ko, 3 drinks. So, isang pink lemonade, isang Coke, and then their chocolate milkshake. Ayan. Okay, so tikman na natin. Tingnan natin kung ganun pa rin yung lasa niya, okay? Ready? Oh my God.
Get 66 and 60, please.
Ang sarap.
Get 16,
Yung lutong pa lang ng buns, ang sarap na. Tapos yung patty, ang juicy. Napakasarap ng onion and yung cheese. And parang hindi sila gano'n nagmahal. Asan na yung resibo? May resibo. I forgot. Pero anyway, parang, ayan, parang di sila lang nagmahal. Lahat ng to, 38.91. Pag nagmamakdo tayo, di ba, nasa 50. Pag nagmamakdo kami, nasa 55 something. So ngayon, tikman naman natin yung animal style fries. Okay. Wait lang. Oh my God, so excited. Yan, let's get a little bit of everything. Walang pinagbago. Kung ano yung lasa niya dati, ganun pa rin. The best pa rin. So yun lang, kain muna kami. Pag pumunta kayo sa West Coast, kain talaga kayo dito. See you later! Nakikita nyo ba yan? Yan yung mga nabibili na ready na house na dito. Okay, so nandito naman tayo ngayon sa Fabulous Las Vegas sign. Ayan. So ito yung mga nakikita nyo sa social media. So ito yung mga nakikita nyong pictures dito. Ito yung situation dyan. May pila. Yan. Ganyang kahaba. And then yung iba, ang ginagawa nila, dito sila sa gilid. But, hindi ganun kaganda yung shot. Maganda talaga sa gitna. Okay, tapos na kami mag-picture dito sa Las Vegas sign. Ngayon, lalakad na tayo sa Strip. Okay, nandito na tayo sa Las Vegas Strip. Sisimulan na nating maglakad. Are you ready, Surreal? Okay, let's go. Sige. Narinig niyo, pwedeng pasaglit lang dito. Ano ba to? Puma. Okay, let's go. Come on. Let's go with Daddy. So, this is Hard Rock Cafe. Tapos, sunod-sunod na yan. Pag nakakita tuloy ako ng ABC stores, naisip ko sapatos. Pupunta tayo sa kabilang side mamaya, ah. Ang saya dito! Bakit ganun yung ano, sign nila sa walking white? Dapat green. Green means go. White means ano, nabunggo ka na. Ghost na. Okay, here we go. I can see it. Oh my God, there's Eminem. You want a picture with Eminem? Go. Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3. Smile. One more. Smile. Thank you. All right, let's go inside.
Hi, Tito. I know you love purple.
He loves
There.
purple. Yeah.
Over there.
Over there. Purple.
Tito don't like that island.
Yeah.
Follow me, okay?
Okay. Okay, I will follow you. Oh my God. Yummy. See? So dito kukuha ka lang ng bag and then you fill it out. Meron din sila nito sa New York. Tapos alam nyo ba, ang daming nahuhulog dito na nasasayang. Wait, ayan. Katulad yan. Okay, asa na kaya si Cyril? Ang ingay dito! So, yan yung price niya. $9.49 per half a pound. Ano kayang bibili ni Cyril? Let's wait for her. Oh my God. This is so extra. Look. Do you want a M&M boxers? Bagay kay Daddy yan. Daddy want it. Okay, got the goods. Ang mga binili si Cyril. Ay, surprisingly, walang chocolate. So she got the pen, the lip balm, and the blanket. Are you happy, ma'am? Yan na, binubuksan na. Cyril! Cyril, do you like it here? Yeah? Which one do you like? New York or Vegas? Las Vegas? Yeah, because it's like New York but cleaner. That is where we're going. Oh yeah. I want to make a giant Reese's. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. Ayan yun. Yeah. Oh my God. This is my store. Dapat ako yung umiikot eh, hindi si Cyril. Oh, that's so cute. Yeah. Grabe ang ganda ng shirt. White and black pares, maganda oh. I think I like it. Oh yeah. But I'd rather spend my money on chocolate. Okay. Cyril, do you want this? Cyril, want this? Ooh. Oh my God, they look great. Double chocolate cookie. Candles. Oh my God. May candy cane nga. I'm curious about milk chocolate.
Careful.
Oh my God. I don't like it.
Yeah, it smells weird. It's for eating kasi. Oh my God. Ito, I think it's gonna smell good. Apple. Ang bango.
Jolly Rancher is the best.
Yeah.
Oh my God. I love it.
Okay. But I don't buy that kind of candles. Bath and Body Works. Or Yankee candles. Okay. Oh my God, this is heaven.
Oh my God. I found the large pieces.
Ganyan ba kalaki yun sa New York?
No, mas malaki. Mas malaki.
Jackpot na jackpot si Cyril, mga binili niya. Okay, so that one, what's that? A laser toy? And then this one, squishy.
Kuya, put it on me.
Yeah, you hold it. I'm going to show. Oh my God. And then this giant pieces. I'm having a hard time. There. And then just my Reese's. This is mine. Okay, let's go. Okay. Okay, it's officially nighttime here in Las Vegas. Ang ganda ng strip. Pero mas maganda tong dalawang to. Wow! Pati sa kabila, oh. I don't know if kita. Come on, let's walk. Ah, meron ba kanina? Oo nga, no? I love it. I love the energy here. Ah. Live ba yun? May kumakanta? Ganda, no? Kita nyo ba? So, ayun yung Hollywood Hotel. And then, yung Paris Aria Hotel. Isa yan sa mga tinignan ko na hotels dito eh. But, in the end, gusto talaga namin is yung may view ng Sphere. Okay, nandito na kami sa hotel. Papakita ko lang sa inyo kung gaano kaganda yung Sphere sa gabi. Oh my God. Look at his hair, Cirilo.
It's rainbow.
Yeah. Okay, so medyo madilim, but hopefully, na-enjoy nyo yung tour natin sa Las Vegas for today. So yun lang, magpapahinga na kami. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye!